Okay guys, welcome back to my Charlotte 239. Today we're in the Walmart again. I got the new Hot Wheels 5 alarm, the brand new green paint, part of Champion Crashers, new for 2026. 2026, my voice left there, sorry. There's a back. Name, Hot Wheels 5 alarm, truck type, city, strength, super drench, fire nozzles, crash type, fireball stomp, of course. The back, all I need for this case is Helichopper and Sneakerhead, and I'm done. Oh, and Mega Rex, I don't forget that. I don't have a normal Mega Rex. Here it is, guys. Further ado, so I'm gonna open it. It's kind of open down here. Sorry, guys. Ooh, okay, here it is. I kind of reminds me of Easter colors, like green and red. Just the green part. There's a Hot Wheels name on the tires, flame tires. There's a little paint right there. 5 alarm, guys, Hot Wheels logo, rescue, and then the ladder with the gimmick, number 5, and then with the motors. Back of this is Hot Wheels with chrome. With that beautiful chrome. Red chassis, black roll cage, and then it's chrome here. Pretty cool Hot Wheels on the tires. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.